Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to embed Google Maps into Notion. First, open Google Maps in your web browser. Once Google Maps is open, search for the location you want to embed into Notion. This can be a city, a state, a business, or any specific place. Click directly on the location so it opens on the map and appears in the left side panel. Next, look at the left menu where the location details are shown. Find the Share button and click on it. A small window will appear with sharing options. In this window, make sure you are on the Link tab. Now copy the URL that Google Maps provides. After copying the link, open Notion in your browser or desktop app. Go to the page where you want the map to appear. Click on an empty space in the page to create a new block. Press the / key on your keyboard and type the word Embed. From the list that appears, click on Embed. A new pop-up window will open asking for a link. Paste the Google Maps URL you copied earlier into this field. Once the link is pasted, click the Embed button. Notion will load the map automatically and place it directly inside your page. When the map is embedded, you can resize it by dragging the corners. You can also move it around the page like any other Notion block. You are able to zoom in and zoom out on the map and view the shared location clearly without leaving Notion. Thanks for watching.